Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from India to Canada using Wise. The process is simple. What you need to do is log into your Wise account. What you're going to do is look for the Canadian currency. Here you're going to add funds to your Canadian currency balance. You can do this by adding $1 Canadian and then clicking continue. And well, you choose which method you want to use to top up. Now to send money, it's quite simple. Here what we need to do is click this button that says send. Once we click there, what we're going to do is choose how we want to make this transfer. Okay, in this case, we're going to select the person. We'll choose this option, which is basically to send money to another person. Or if we don't want to send it to ourselves, we can use this option. And well, here we're going to add the necessary information to send the money. Okay, and that's it. That's all there is to it. This way we can send the money and it's actually quite easy to do. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.